Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 13.1 question number 6. Question number 6 is simplify. You have to simplify all these questions. Number 1. Number 1 you see here is number 1 is 2 into, that is 2 into 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 3. That may be written as 2. 10 to the power 3 means 10 into 10 into 10, or this can be written as 2 into 1 0 0 0, or it can be written as 2 1 2 and 3 zeros 1 2 3. This is the answer of question number 1. That is, we are getting 2000 for question number 1. Now question number 2 is question number 2. Here you see question number 2 is 7 to the power 2, 7 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2. That can be written as 7 to the power 2 means 7 into 7. That is 7 into 7. And 2 to the power 2 means 2 into 2. That is 2 into 2. Therefore 7 into 7, that comes to 49. 49. And 2 into 2, it is 4. Now if we multiply 49 with 4, we will get 49. Multiply it with 4. It is 4 9 is 36. 3. It is 6. 4 4 is 16 plus 3 is 19. That means 196. 196. This is the answer of question number 2. 196. Now question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is question number 3. That is 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 into 5. 2 to the power 3 into 5. 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. That can be multiplied as 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 into 5, and 5 8 is 40. That the answer is 40. Here it is 40. This is the answer of question number 3. Now question number 4. Question number 4 here you see is question number 4 is 3 into 4 to the power 4. 4 to the power 4. That can be written as 3 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Here there are 4 4s, right? 3, right? Now if you multiply, that is 3 into what is the multiplication of 4? That is 4 4 is 16 and 4 4 is 16. You can write here as 16 into 16. If you multiply 16 with 16, you will get 16 multiplied by 16. That is 6 is 36. 3, it is 6. 6 is 6 plus 3 is 9. And 6 1 is 6. 1 1 is 1. It is 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. That is 256. If you multiply this number with 3, you will get. Multiply this number with 3. With 3. Then we will get 3 6 is 18. Carry 1. It is 8. 3 5 is 15 plus 1 is 16. Carry 1. It is 6. 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. That is 768. Therefore, the answer is 768. 768. And this is the answer. (768). Now question number 5. Question number 5 is 0. 0. Question number 5 is 0. 0 into 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2. That means it will be equal to, here you see 0 into 10 to the power 2 means 0 into 10 into 10. If you multiply this one, you'll get the value as 0. 0 is the answer. Now question number 6. Question number 6 here you see is, question number 6 is 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. That can be written as 5 into 5, 5 into 5 and 3 to the power 3. That means into 3 into 3 into 3. Right? That will equal to 5 5 is 25 multiplied by 3 3 is 9, 3 9 is 27, 27. That means you have to multiply 27 with 25. What you'll get, that is multiply 27 with 25. Then you'll get 5 7 is 35. 3 carry, here it is 5. 5 to 10 plus 3 is 13. And here it is 2 7 is 14, carry 1, it is 4. 2 to 4 plus 1 is 5. And if you add the numbers, you'll get 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. 6 plus 1, 5 plus 1 is 6. 675. That comes to 675. 675. And this is the answer. 675. And this is the answer. Right? Now question number 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Now see, question number 7 is given as 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2. That comes to 2 to the 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And 3 square means 3 into 3. 3 into 3. That means we will get, if we multiply 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16, and 3 3 is a 9. Then multiply 16 with 9. Then we will get, multiply 16 with 9. 6 9 is 54, 5. It is 4. 9 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. That means we are getting 144. 144. This is the answer of question number 7. We will solve question number 8. Question number 8 is 5, 6, 7, 8. We will solve this one. The question is 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power 4. That it can be written as 3 into 3, 3 into 3. And 10 to the power 4 means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Right? It can be written as 3 3 is a 9 into 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. It can be written as 9, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. You put the values, put the commas, that is 90,000. This is the answer of question number 8. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. If you like this video, please subscribe. And also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.